Hello students, welcome you all. Now we are going to discuss exercise 8.4, page number 193 of your book. So let's start with question number 1. Express the trigonometric ratios sin A, sec A and tan A in terms of cot A. So let's start with sin A. Alright, sin A equal to, so we can write sin A in terms of root over of sin square A. So sin A will be root over of sin square A. Now it will be equal to root over of, you know that sin theta equal to sin A equal to 1 by cosec A. So you can write 1 by cosec square A. Now it will be equal to, well, you know the formula cot square A. One second. Cot square A plus 1 equal to cosec square A. So that cosec square A equal to cot square A plus 1. So we can write it root over of 1 by cot square A plus 1. Instead of cosec square A, we root cot square A plus 1. So you can simplify it equal to 1 by root over of 1 will be 1 by, one second, so it will be 1 by root over of cot square A plus 1. So sin A equal to 1 by root over of cot square A plus 1. Now we will move to sec A. Okay, I will erase it. So sec A is equal to again root over of sec square A. Okay, and you know one formula, that tan square A plus 1 equal to sec square A. So now instead of sec square A, we can write tan square A plus 1 equal to tan square A plus 1 then whole root over equals, you know that tan A equal to 1 by cot A. So instead of tan square A, we can write 1 by cot square A. Okay, plus 1 then whole root over. So you can leave it as it is, or you can simplify it further, like equal to cot square A, then here 1 plus cot square A root over, then it is further it will be equal to root over of 1 plus cot square A divided by cot A. Root over of cot square A will be cot A. So this will be your simplified answer. Root over of 1 plus cot square A divided by cot A. Okay, so this is your answer. Now the last part, tan A. It's very easy, in one line we can do it. Tan A is equal to, you direct tan A na, you can directly use the formula 1 by cot A. Okay na? So we have written sin A, sec A and tan A in terms of cot A. So this is the solution of question number 1. Now we will move to question number 2. Here, write all other trigonometric ratio of angle A in terms of sec A. That means all other means sin, cos, tan, cot and cosec. Okay, so all the other trigonometric ratio that we have to write in terms of sec A. So let's start with sin A. Here sin A equal to, in the same manner we will write root over of sin square A. Okay, now it will be equal to, you know that Sine square, there is a formula sine square theta, or you can write a plus cos square a equal to 1, so that you can write instead of sine square equal to 1 minus cos square it will be. So we'll write root over of 1 minus cos square a, and you know cos a equal to 1 by sec a. So we'll write equal to root over of 1 minus 1 by sec square a. Okay, so you can this can be your solution, or you can further simplify it equal to root over, now you can do the LCM, sec square a, it will be sec square a minus 1. So this will be your answer. We'll write it here equals root over of sec square a minus 1 divided by sec a. That means root over of sec square a is equal to sec a. So this is your answer. Root over sec square a minus 1 divided by sec a. Okay. So we have converted sin a in terms of sec a. Now we will move to another, that is cos a. Cos a, you know that cos a equal to, you can directly write cos a equal to 1 by sec a. Okay, so it is solved. Now we have converted sin a and cos a. So we will move to tan a now. Again tan a equal to, so tan a equal to, you can write root over of tan square a. Okay, now equal to you have the direct formula tan square a plus 1 equal to sec square a. So you will use this formula, implies that you can write tan square a equal to sec square a minus 1, isn't it? So instead of tan square a we can write this. Now root over of sec square a minus 1. So this is your answer, tan a equal to root over of sec square a minus 1. Now we will move to cot a. Cot a equal to, you can directly write 1 by tan a. Okay, now we have tan a equal to root over of sec square a minus 1, so that you can directly put this value. Okay, or you can go step by step. So equal to 1 by root over of, instead of tan a equal to this, so we can write sec square a minus 1 whole root over of sec square a minus 1. Okay, so this will be your answer, cot a equal to 1 by root over of sec square a minus 1. Finally we will move to cosec a. Clear it out. Cosec a, okay, cosec a equal to, again same story, we will move to root over of cosec square a, which will be equal to, you know there is a formula. What is the formula? Formula was cosec, yes, cot square a plus 1 equal to cosec square a. So now it will be equal to cosec square a formula, we will directly write it cot square a plus 1, cot square a plus 1 whole root over. Now it will be equal to, now you know that cot a equal to 1 by tan a, so we will write 1 by tan square a. Okay, plus 1 then whole root over, which will be equal to, now we had that 1 by, we had identified that tan a is equal to root over of, one second, tan a equal to root over, we had find tan a equal to root over sec square a, yes, sec square a minus 1. Okay na. So we will use this. So now 1 second, 1 by tan square a is there, therefore or you can write it here, implies tan square a equal to, this root over will be eradicated, sec a minus 1. Okay na. So that we can, instead of tan square a, we can write sec a minus 1, sec a minus 1 plus 1, then whole root over. Okay, so you can leave it as it is, or you can add this. So we have now converted all the trigonometric ratios in terms of sec a. So you can also convert this in other different ways are there. So this is one way that I have shown you. There are several other ways, so that in those way also you can move. Okay, now we'll move to another question. Question number 3. So here read the question. Evaluate I and double I. Okay, we will write question first. I, sin square 63 degree plus sin square 27 degree divided by cos square 17 degree plus cos square 73 degree equals to, now you see 63 and 27 is a very nice relation. That means 63 plus 27 is equal to 90. Therefore we can write 63 equal to 90 minus 27, isn't it? That is what we are going to do. So sin square 63, instead of 63 we will write 90 minus 27. Okay, plus sin square 27 will keep as it is, divided by, now come to denominator, cos square 17 degree plus cos square, look at it again here, 17 and 73, you see 17 plus 73 is also equal to 90. So instead of 73 we can write 90 minus 17. So cos square 90 minus 17 degrees. Okay, which will be equal to, now you see sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta, or equal sin square 90 minus theta will also be as cos square theta. So we can write cos square 27 degree plus sin square 27 degree. Sin square 27 we have written as it is, divided by, here you see cos square 17 degree plus this cos square 90 minus theta, that means it will be sin square theta. Now we'll write plus sin square 17 degree. Now equal to, here you see cos square 27 plus sin square 27 minus cos square a plus sin square a, or cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. You know, we have a formula for this, we have identity for this, divided by, here sum of this sin cos square 17 plus sin square 17, this will also be equal to 1. Okay, we have a formula, if you remember, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. This is what both the numerator and denominators are. Now 1 by 1 is equal to 1. So this is your answer for I. Now we will move to double I. We will clear it out. Okay, let's write the question. We'll write it here. Sin 25 degree into cos 65 degree, okay, plus cos 25 degree into sin 65 degree, okay, equals to, again same story here, 25 plus 65, 25 plus 65 equal to 90. Therefore we can write 25 equal to 90 minus 65. Okay na, 25 equal to 90 minus 65. Let's write that. So sin, instead of 25 we will write 90 minus 65 degree into cos 65 degree plus here cos, here 25 plus 65, same story, 25 65. Instead of 25 we will write here 90 minus 65. So cos 90 minus 65 degree into sin 65 degree, as it is you have written sin 65 degree here, implies or equal to, now sin 90 minus 65 is your cos 65, so write cos 65 degree into here cos 65 degree plus, now here cos 90 minus 65 will be what, sin 65, so write sin 65 degree into sin 65 degree, okay, equals, you see, cos 65 into cos 65 will be cos square 65, so write cos square 65 plus here sin 65 into sin 65, it will be sin square 65, sin square 65 degree, which will be equal to, now cos square 65 plus sin square 65. Look at the formula, sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1 na? This is what it is, cos square a plus sin square a, so it will be equal to 1, so answer is 1. So for double I, answer is 1. Okay, I was also 1, nahi? So we have solved question number 3 also. Okay, now we will move to question number 4. Okay, see, choose the correct option and justify your choice. 3 sec square a, 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square a equal to dash. Okay, we will write it. We will find the answer, then we will say, here you can see, we'll just write the question, 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square a equal to, you can take 9 as common, then what will remain, sec square a minus tan square a. Okay, if you remember, a formula was there, tan square a plus 1 equal to sec square a, isn't it? Now implies, you can write it like this, sec square a, now this tan square a will be transposed to here, then what will happen, one second. Okay, it will be equal to tan, yes, 1 will be remain here, 1 equal to sec square a minus tan square a. Now you look at it, sec square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. Here it is, sec square a minus tan square a, isn't it? Now we'll write 9 into this total value is 1. Therefore it will be equal to 9. So answer is 9. Here look at the options, 1, 9. Here it is, 9 will be the right option. Okay. Now we will move to double I. Okay, let's move to double I. So double I is saying 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta whole into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta equal to dash. Okay, first let's find the answer. Okay, let's start, 1 second. Okay, load here. Let's write the question. 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta whole into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. So it will be equal to 1 plus, let's tan theta you know equal to sin theta by cos theta. You can write sin theta by cos theta plus sec theta you know equal to 1 by cos theta into 1 plus cot theta value of you know, that is cos theta by sin theta, cos theta by sin theta minus cosec theta is 1 by sin theta. Okay, now it will be equal to, now we will add them. Yes, 1 plus here cos theta, here it will be sin theta plus 1, then here it will be 1 plus LCM is sin theta cos theta minus 1. Okay, now what we will do, okay, equal to, so just add the 1 also, it will add the 1 to it also, cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 divided by cos theta into here sin theta plus cos theta minus 1, okay na, divided by sin theta. You see here we can multiply it, cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 divided by cos theta and sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 divided by sin theta. Now we will multiply it, we will do it here, equals, okay, here you can see cos theta plus sin theta will take it as a, okay, plus 1 as b, okay, a plus b into, again sin theta plus cos theta is there, a plus b whole into a minus b is there, okay na. So therefore we can write it will be equal to a square minus b square. So we will directly write cos theta plus sin theta whole square, a square minus b square is 1 square, okay, divided by, the denominator will be cos theta into sin theta, that means you can directly write cos theta into sin theta. Okay, now what we can do, we can use the formula a plus b whole square, okay, a square plus formula we will use, equals to cos square theta plus sin square theta, a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into cos theta into sin theta minus 1 square is 1 divided by, here as it is we will write cos theta into sin theta. Okay, let's see what happens. Now here cos square theta plus sin square theta will become what, 1, so it will be equal to 1 plus 2 into sin theta into cos theta, or cos theta into sin theta, same thing, minus 1, so plus 1 and minus 1, minus 1 plus 1 will be cancelled, divided by cos theta into sin theta. Now look at it, cos theta and sin theta will be cancelled, cos theta sin theta into sin theta cos theta will be cancelled, okay na, equal to 2 will be our answer. So look at the options now, a is 0, b is 1, c is 2, so answer will be 2 for us. Now we will move to triple I. Let's read the question triple I, 1 second. Here it is, sec a plus tan a whole into 1 minus sin a equal to dash. So let's write the question reply. Sec a plus tan a into 1 minus sin a equal to dash. You look at it, answers are sec a, sin a, cosec a, cos a. So let's convert all of them into sin a and cos a. Okay. So sec a is equal to 1 by cos a plus tan a is equal to sin a by cos a into 1 minus sin a. So now it will be equal to, now you just add them, cos a 1 plus sin a here into 1 minus sin a. Okay na, equals, you know, 1 plus sin a into 1 minus sin a will be a plus b into a minus b. What it will be? A square minus b square. So it will be 1 square minus sin square a divided by cos a, which will be equal to, write it here, which will be equal to, you remember 1 square will be 1 minus sin square a divided by cos a. Now you remember 1 minus sin square a. I will write the formula for you. Sin square a plus cos square a was equal to 1. Now you have cos square a equal to 1 minus sin square a. So 1 minus sin square is here, 1 minus sin square a. So instead of 1 minus sin square a, we can write cos square a, isn't it? So it will be equal to cos square a divided by cos a. Now cos a and cos square a will be cancelled. It will be equal to cos a only. Okay. So answer will be cos a. Look at it. Here it is cos a. D is your right answer. Now let's move to the last one. IV 1 plus tan square a divided by 1 plus cot square a equal to dash. Same thing we will do it here. Here you see, first let's write the question. IV 1 plus tan square a divided by 1 plus cot square a equals. Now you have formulas for this. 1 plus tan square a is a direct formula. 1 plus tan square a equal to sec square a divided by 1 plus cot square a is equal to your cosec square a. But there is no such options like sec square a divided by cosec square a. So we'll write it equal to, now we'll convert sec square a into cos. So we can write 1 by cos square a. Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta na. Therefore sec square a equal to 1 by cos square a divided by cosec square a will be 1 by sin square a. Now it will be equal to 1 by cos square a into sin square a by 1. Okay na? Then it will be equal to, I will write it here, equals sin square a by cos square a, which is equal to, say, sin square a by cos square a is equal to dash tan square a. Is there any option like tan square a? Yes, it is. So D is your answer. So in this way we can solve question number 4. Now we will move towards question number 5. So question is saying, prove the following identities where the angles involved are acute angles for which the expressions are defined. Okay, so we have to prove them. Now let's try it out. I will write the question. Cosec theta minus cot theta square equal to this. Okay, so we'll start with this cosec theta plus cot theta whole square equal to this. Okay, let's write. It will be equal to, you know that cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta minus cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta, cos theta by sin theta whole square. Now it will be equal to here it will be sin theta, here 1 minus cos theta then whole square equals, now it will be, yes, 1 minus cos whole square divided by sin square theta, then we can write, okay, now equals 1 minus cos square, sorry, I'll write it here, equals 1 minus cos whole square divided by sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta, isn't it? Because you know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta, isn't it? So now instead of sin square theta we have written 1 minus cos square theta. So it will be equal to 1 minus cos, right, theta, cos theta whole square divided by, here 1 minus cos square means 1 square minus cos square, we can write a square minus b square formula we can put. So it will be equal to 1 minus cos theta whole into 1 plus cos theta, isn't it? Now it will be equal to, you can expand it, 1 minus cos theta whole square means 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. Now you cancel this one, the answer will be 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. This is what we wanted to prove, 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, you look at it, 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So in this way we can solve it. Now we will move to another question. Question number II. Well, let's try to solve it. What is the question? Let's read it. Cos A by 1 plus sin A, cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A equals to 2 sec A. Okay, let's try to solve it. Cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A equal to, we have to prove this, equals. Now we will simply add them. Okay, so LCM will be 1 plus sin A into cos A. Okay, here in the numerator part it will be cos square A plus 1 plus sin A whole square. Okay, now what we will do? Now cos square A, we will use the formula A plus B whole square here. Okay, plus 1 plus sin square A square plus B square plus 2AB, so plus 2 sin A. Okay, divided by, here in the denominator part you keep them as it is, 1 plus sin A into cos A. Okay, Now you see equals cos square a plus sin square a is there. So you know that cos square a plus sin square is equal to 1. So we'll write 1 plus, here 1 is there, 1, okay, plus 2 sin a divided by 1 plus sin a into cos a. Okay, now it will be equal to 1 plus 1 is your 2, write 2 plus 2 sin a divided by 1 plus sin a into cos a. Okay, now we'll write it here equals, here you see 2 plus 2 sin a, so we can take 2 as common, 2 you will take common, 2 into 1 plus sin a only, okay, divided by 1 plus sin a, while writing the denominator as it is, into cos a. Now you see 1 plus sin a and 1 plus sin a can be cancelled, okay, then what will remain, 2 in the numerator divided by here cos a, which you can write equal to 2 into 1 by cos a, isn't it, which is equal to 2 into 1 by cos a is your sec a, or you can write 2 sec a. So this is your answer. So we have proved it, we can write hence proved.